Standard 3, which is how certain lines reveal a character's personality. Except this time we're going to talk about some of the other characters. So turn to the packet on page 5. It looks like this. And we're looking at the poem Left Behind on page 57 of the book. So read that poem now. You can pause the video. So this poem is about a thing each family member left behind in leaving Vietnam. And what each person has left behind is symbolic of something about them. So it says something about them that she left behind. So you're going to look at what each character left behind and say, oh, that tells me this about them. So Ha, she left behind her papaya tree. What do these possessions tell you about her? This tells me that Ha values living things, is patient, and is hopeful. How do you know? I know this because she writes about the papaya tree so much. She is careful about watching it grow. She says she's ready to give the fruit to her mom. So we said the papaya tree is kind of a symbol for hope. So on page 57, you're going to read it and see what each character has left behind here. Okay? And what's the possession? What does it tell you about this character? And how do you know? So you're going to fill out that whole sheet on page 5. When you're done with that, the homework is a quick write on page 18. So you're basically going to pick one of the characters and you're going to answer the question in ACE form on page 18. For the specific character you studied, well, you're just going to pick one, explain the more symbolic aspect of what that person had to leave behind. So that's going to be an ACE. So what does the thing they left behind symbolize or stand for? So this is our last lesson before a test next class. The test is on the 2 standards we've been working on, making inferences using ACE and determining a character's personality. So there's no reading for tonight, just study for the test and you will be able to use the book. Okay, and that was October 21st and 22nd.